Hello grade 1. Let's begin our lesson today. We've already learned at the beginning of this chapter how to count by ones and how to count by tens. Now it's time to learn more about tens and ones. How can you use different ways to write a number as tens and ones? Let's start with this problem. Tim has 10 pennies. He gets 3 more pennies. Let's use 10 frames to show how many pennies Tim has now. First, let's fill each square in the first 10 frame with a penny to show 10. This is the number of pennies Tim already has. Now we need to add the additional pennies into another 10 frame. So let's count 3 more pennies. Now we have the total number of pennies Tim has now, which is 13. When you use a 10 frame, you can find the total without counting each penny. Since the top 10 frame is full, you know there are 10 pennies, then you can count on the 3 pennies in the bottom 10 frame for a total of 13. Remember, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are one-digit numbers. They only have one digit. And 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and so on are two-digit numbers. They have 2 digits. Let's find out more about two-digit numbers. Take a look at those cubes. There are 14 cubes. The 1 on 14 means 110, and the 4 means 4 ones. You can see this in the model. One group of 10 cubes inside the 10 frame and 4 more cubes outside of the frame. There are other ways to show the number 14. 14 can be written another way. It's 110 and 4 ones. Or it's 10 ones plus 4 ones, 10 plus 4. Shown 4 ways to show the number 14. A 10 frame filled with cubes and 4 more cubes is one way. The number 14 is the second way. 110 and 4 ones is the third way. 10 plus 4 is the fourth way. How can you show a number as tens and ones? Here are 10 cubes. How can we arrange them to show one group of 10? There are 2 different ways to show 110. First, let's use cubes to make 10 in a 10 frame. The 10 frame is full. One full 10 frame is a group of 10 ones. Another way to show 10 is by stacking cubes on top of each other. 10 cubes connected into one group. One group of 10 ones is the same as 110. You can also draw a quick picture to show 110. We draw a straight line to show 110. What if you had one more cube? This cube gets counted as 1. So here you see 110 and 1 1. You can show this in the quick picture by adding a circle to show 1 1. So 10 ones and 1 1 is the same as 110 and 1 1. Did you guess which number this model represents? Yes, correct. It's 11. How can you model and name groups of 10? Let's solve riddles with 10. I'm thinking of a number that's the same as 110 and 2 ones. What's my number? First, use a quick picture to show the 10. You draw a straight line. Then draw 2 more ones, 2 more circles. Now look at the digits, 110 and 2 ones. It's the same as 12. It's 12. Now I'm thinking of a number That's the same as 1 10 and 0 ones. First, show the 10. It's 1 10, one straight line. But there's no ones to show. There are 0 ones, so don't show any circles. What's my number? Easy, it's 10. You can group ones to make more than 1 10, and here's how. There are 30 ones. I will group each 10 cubes together, and I will show you 3 different ways. The first way, when I group each 10 cubes together, I will have 3 groups of 10s. So 30 ones is the same as 3 groups of 10s. If I connect the cubes to make 10s, here are 3 10s. You can also show 3 10s with a quick picture showing 3 lines. 3 10s equals 30, same as 30 ones. How can you group cubes to show a number as 10s and 1s? You can use connecting cubes to show 26 as 10s and 1s. 2 groups of 10 connected cubes to show 2 10s in all. 1 10, 2 10s. And 6 more cubes go into the ones column to show 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 10s and 6 ones equals 26. You can also use base 10 blocks to show 26 as 10s and 1s. Those are 2 10s. You can call them longs. This is a long. This is a second one. 2 longs to show 2 10s in all. And 6 blocks to show 6 ones. So 2 10s and 6 ones make 26. Let's look at number 34. How many 10s and 1s are in 34? 3 10s and 4 1s make 34. Let's try another number. 43. How many 10s and how many 1s are in 43? 4 10s and 3 1s. Take a closer look at 34 and 43. The 3 in 34 means 3 10s. The 3 in 43 means 3 1s. Look at the 4. 4 in 34 means 4 1s, and the 4 in 43 means 4 10s. In a 2-digit number, the 10s are on the left, the 1s are on the right. How can you show numbers to 100 as 10s and 1s? We're going to use base 10 blocks to show how many 1s and how many 10s are in a number. This model shows 40. Count the 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. There aren't any 1s in 40. Take a look at 99. 99 has 9 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, and 9 10s. And it has 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What if I add one more 1? I will have a new group of 10s. 99 and 1 more is 100. It's 10 10s and 0 1s. That's all for today. Bye.